Hey everyone, welcome to my channel MyPaintbrushTales. Today's video is all about DIY block printing at home. Let's get started. You'll be needing these block printing wooden blocks which are easily available in any stationeries and also available on Amazon. We'll have to prep these blocks before our first use to keep them safe in long run. We'll have to soak them in any oil overnight. I'm using coconut oil here. It's the next day and it's winter here and my coconut oil turned solid. So prefer using an oil which doesn't turn solid like this because cleaning becomes difficult. Clean the block using a cloth to remove excess oil. Make sure there is no oil or water left on the block. Once blocks are ready, it's time to prepare bedding for printing. We'll have to place thick layers of fabric on table under our actual fabric for perfect block printing. Also place a rough fabric on top. This is the scarf that I want to block print. Arrange the fabric evenly on table without any wrinkles. Take a cleaning sponge like this and I am using acrylic colors for printing. Add a thick layer of color onto sponge evenly. Now take the block and press onto the sponge for it to pick up the paint. Press the block onto fabric with even pressure and lift it carefully. Repeat the same process. Keep adding paint to sponge and dip the block in it and keep printing. It's so satisfying to print. Keep adding paint to sponge in between. Once printing is done, it's time to clean our blocks. Take a brush like this and clean it using water. Once cleaning is done, take a rough cloth and remove the excess water from the block. And I also like to keep the block in sun for some time for excess moisture to be gone. Our final step in block printing is sealing. Once paint is completely dry, turn the fabric upside down and iron it properly to seal the paint. And voila! My block printed scarf is ready to wear. Follow these simple steps to create beautiful DIY block printed clothing at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.